reading, learning, vision, and today I'm here to show you the Clover Book Lite, a portable video magnifier. It's a 12.5-inch screen size. It operates on an inbuilt rechargeable battery. It comes with a battery charger, and it also comes with a protective carry case. I'm holding the Clover Book Lite by its handle. On the reverse side is two lights and a camera, and I'll show you how this operates. You place it on the table, you pull it up, pull the screen up to get it into a comfortable reading position. There is a button on the top left which you press for approximately 4 seconds to turn it on. You'll see some writing will come on the screen to indicate that it's active. I just have a magazine I'm going to put in underneath. So the lights are here looking down, as is the camera. You then just put your document in underneath and you can see on the screen there the writing. There is controls across the bottom front, going from the right to the left. That is just a return to a previous menu operation. You have a magnification dial, you have a joystick, and you have a color contrast dial, and over here is a menu button. So going first of all to the magnification, which is on the bottom right, I can turn that to make the writing bigger or smaller. Alternatively, it has a touch screen and it has a pinch action, so I can pinch to make it bigger or smaller. The orange button in the middle is a joystick, and I can control the camera behind. I can move it along the line as I'm wanting to read. It goes up, it can go down, and go left and right. The dial on the bottom left is the contrast button. So if I turn that, I can get different contrast colors. There's a whole series of different colors. Here I have high contrast white on black. But if I want to then just go back to natural color, I can press that and it's gone back to natural color. Press it again and I've come back into the high contrast mode. There is also a handy little button on the bottom left down here. If I press that, I can bring a ruler up onto the screen. You can see there that red line. So if I'm reading, I can move my document along and follow it along the line. This is the Clover Book Lite. It's a battery operated 12.5-inch screen size portable video magnifier. To turn it off, you just press the button up the top again for about 4 seconds. A screen will come up asking you to go to sleep or off. I'll press to go off, and there it is, off. Alternatively, I could have just gone to sleep so that when I want to get action again quickly, I could just press it and it would start up a lot quicker. Thank you for watching.